Howdy, Star Jockeys, Trace here. This week, the Perseid Meteor Shower peaks, and because it's a new moon, this is potentially a good year to spot some space debris hitting our planetary wind shield. Get it? Because the atmosphere is air? Okay, let me show you. Find a dark spot and look north at 2 a.m. The two stars on the end of the Big Dipper point toward Polaris, the North Star up in the Little Dipper. Use the joint of the Little Dipper's handle, and then Polaris at the end, to point to Merfolk and Perseus. The Perseids radiate from just above there. These meteors are leftover debris of Comet Swift-Tuttle. See, comets are always losing bits of themselves as they orbit the sun. Relatable. When the Earth flies through the thickest clouds of that dust and debris, the cometary litter burns up in our atmosphere. The comet last passed Earth in 1992. The shower will go all week. The best nights to watch are August 12th and 13th. Keep looking up.